May I please, Your Lordship, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 10 of daily list, Lordship. I'm for the informant.
You are for the respondent?
Yes, Lordship.
Respondent?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. Yamil, and
No, my lord. I'm not
Huh?
I'm not the petitioner.
no, you are for the appellant?
Which item?
Yamil,
Item 10,
item 10, you are there. Miss?
S. Nazanin. S. Nazanin.
Okay, as Nadine Learned Counsel for the appellant is present. Miss?
Yunanda.
Hmm?
Yunanda.
Yunanda, you are for respondent number
J.
2.
Hussain, respondent 2, on behalf of J. Hussain.
Okay, Yunanda Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 has made a prayer for adjournment with the consent of the Learned Counsel for the appellant and the learned public prosecutor, additional public prosecutor for the respondent states. Most of the prayer is allowed as sought for lays the case after 2 weeks
After 1 week, Lordship, in a
After
date
1 week.
given.
on a date to be fixed by the office.
Pledge, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention for listing one I, my lord, for suspension.
Aye,
Yes, ma'am.
for bail.
For bail, my lord.
Okay, give it to the court master.
May I please, Pilgrim, there also for bail application.
Give it to the court master.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention one listing application for WPC number 891 of.
WBC?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What kind of WBC?
It's an eviction matter, Your Lordship.
Eviction method not before division bench, madam.
Daily list for admission, item 1.
May I please, your lordship?
Offense 302.
302, lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. U. Chaudhary, learned legal aid counsel for the accused appellant. And Mr. R. Kosik, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent state of Assam. This criminal appeal under section 415 Bharatiya Nagorik Surakha Honita 2023 is preferred against a judgment dated 21/7/2025 and an order on sentence dated 23/7/2025 passed by the Court of Learned Session Judge Tinshukia Trial Court in Sessions case number 61 within bracket T of 2022. Full stop. By the judgment and order dated order on sentence, comma, the trial court has convicted the accused appellant for the offense under section 302 IPC, and he has been convicted, sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000, in default of payment of fine, to undergo rigorous imprisonment for another 6 months. Full stop. We have gone through the contents of the memo appeal. The criminal appeal is admitted for hearing. With the case records of so and so be called for, issue notice returnable 4 weeks, as Mr. Koshik has appeared and learned additional public prosecutor has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent state. Issuance of formal notice is dispensed with extra copy within 2 working days.
Lordship, there is a IA that will consider affair.
Aye.
I
Heard Mr. U. Chaudhary, learned counsel. Applicant appellant, legal aid counsel for the applicant appellant. R. Kosik, learned additional public prosecutor for the opposite party. That's respondent state. This application under section 430 Bharatiya Nagorik Surakha Honita is because seeking suspension of the execution of sentence passed against the applicant appellant and for his release on bail. Full stop. The applicant appellant has been convicted for the offense of murder under section 302 IPC, and he has been sentenced to undergo so and so. Issue notice returning within 4 weeks. As Mr. Koshi has appeared and accepted notice, formal notice dispensed with. The state opposite party state, that's respondent state, is to file objection on or before the returnable date.
Public.
Item number 2,
A lifetime imprisonment under section 6 of the POCSO Act.
POCSO. Heard Mr. Your legal aid counsel?
Yes, madam.
Heard Mr. Ayas Bishwas. Learned legal aid counsel for the accused appellant. And Mr. R. Kosik, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1, State of Assam. Full stop. This criminal appeal under section 415 Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 is preferred against the judgment and order dated 4/8/2025 passed by the Court of Learned Additional Sessions Judge, cum Special Judge, POCSO, Morigaon. In POCSO case number 168 of 2021, arising out of Dharamtul Police Station case number 74 of 2021, Special Court. By the impugned judgment and order, the Learned Special Court has convicted the accused appellant for the offenses under section 6, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 and under section 506 Indian Penal Code for the offense under section 6, the accused appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life, which means imprisonment for the remainder of his natural life, and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000, in default of payment of fine, to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 3 months. For the offense under section 506, the accused appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 1 year. Both the sentences are ordered to run concurrently. We have gone through the contents of the memo of appeal. The criminal appeal is admitted for hearing. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. As Mr. Kosik, proceed. The steps on the respondent number 2 are to be taken in terms of the notification dated so and so. The learned additional public prosecutor is to obtain a report as a service of notice of the respondent number 2 from the officer in charge, Dharamtul Police Station, on or before the returnable date.
There's an IA, my lord.
I, applicant, appellant, opposite party, respondent number 1, State of Assam. This application under section 430 Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita is preferred, seeking suspension of the execution of the sentence passed against the applicant appellant and for his release on bail. Post of issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. As Mr. Kosik has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent opposite party, that's respondent number 1, State of Assam. A formal notice is required. Full stop. The applicant appellant shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number. The opposite party respondent number 2 in terms of the notification dated so and so, where the application will be given consideration after submission of written received to the TCR and submission of the written objections, if any, written objections by the respondent, opposite parties respondents.
Much obliged.
item 3,
Please.
S. Nazneen.
Yes, Nadir.
In this case, Lordship, appellant was convicted rigorous imprisonment for 20 years under section 6 of POCSO Act. Lordship.
Heard Ms. S. Nazdin, learned counsel appearing for the accused appellant, and Mr. R. Kosik, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1, State of Assam. this criminal appeal under section 415 of Bharatiya Nagorik Purvika Honita 2023 is directed against a judgment and order dated 14/8/2025 passed by the Court of Additional Session Judge cum Special Judge POXO in POXO case number 22 of 2022, arising out of Lahori Ghat Police Station case number 90 of 2021, by the judgment and order dated 14/8/2025, the accused appellant has been convicted for the offenses under section 6, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, as well as under section 376 AB of the Indian Penal Code, in view of section 42. POXO Act, the accused appellant has been sentenced under section 6 Act to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and to pay a fine of rupees 20,000, which default stipulation. We have gone through the contents of the memo of appeal. The criminal appeal is admitted for hearing. Case records of so and so be called for, issue notice, returnable in 4 weeks.
Lord,
As Mr. Kaushik has appeared, so and so, for respondent number 1, State of Assam, issuance of formal notice to the status. Respondent number 1 is dispensed with. The accused appellant shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2. In terms of the notification number so and so, within 3 working days from today, will give you the additional public prosecutor is to obtain a service report, is to obtain a report as a service of notice from the officer in charge, Lahori Ghat Police Station, on the record a returnable date.
I, yeah.
No IL is listed.
Item number 4,
May I please?
E.
Worship?
Bora,
Also.
P. Bora, accused appellant. R. Kaushik, respondent state 415, BNS. This criminal appeal can give you 415 so and so is preferred against a judgment an order dated 21/7/2025 passed by the Court of Learned Additional Session Judge Vishwanath at Vishwanath Sahil Special Court, Trial Court. In session case number 183 of 2016 by the impugned judgment and order, the 2 accused appellants along with 2 others have been convicted for the offense under section 302 IPC. And both the accused appellants have been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life. We have gone through the contents of the memo of appeal. The criminal appeal is admitted for hearing. The case records of session case number 183 of 2016 be called for, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. As Mr. Kaushik, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor, has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent state. Issuance of formal notice to the respondent is dispensed with. Extra copy 2 working days is the case after 4 weeks.
We have made party the informant also. Respondent number 2 is the informant.
Okay. The accused appellants shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by speed post. Or speed post within 3 working days from today. Memo of appeal, extra copy, 3 working days. IA.
That's it.
Part Miss P. Bora. Applicant appellant. RR proceed. Opposite party, just as for number 1, state of Assam. 430 BNSS by illegal. Huh?
Item number 5.
Light logic.
AK.TO. Accused appellant. RR proceed. Respondent states, huh? 415 BNSS. Judgment and order, judgment.
23-6.
An order dated 23/6/2025. Session is just Kamrup, Amingam, trial court. Trial court. 302 IPC. Sentence, rigorous imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 20,000 in default of payment of fine to undergo rigorous imprisonment for further 6 months. We have gone through the contents of the memorandum of appeal. The criminal appeal is admitted for hearing. Yes, records of so be called for. Issue notice return within 4 weeks. As Mr. Kosit has appeared and accepted. Respondent state. Issuance of formal notice to the respondent is dispensed with. Extra copy of the memo of appeal within 3 working days from the day.
Apply.
Item 6 for orders.
My lord, item 6, can it be passed off for a time being? Miss B here will appear, my lord, here.
Last product will be difficult. Passing over for time being. Okay. Okay for the time being.
For a time being, yes.
Fabulous.
We have got this one medical report. We filed an objection also. Medical report. You
Objection.
can give me.
Okay.
Listen.
At least the case on.
24th November.
Also.
Proximal is the law affair, man. He is admitted in cross-examination, man.
Item number 9.
AK Azad. Then counsel for the applicant appellant is silent.
This, my lord, as per
In-
office note 311.
In view of office not dated, we have to wait.
Mile.
Dated 3/11/2025. 8 for the service report in respect of respondent number 2. Post on is the case after 2 weeks.
Mile. All right.
I have passed all the, we have passed all the judgments.
Well.
It is going